tinawag siya mo. Saan ka? Sus, this siya, baho, baba, baho, ilong, baho, tanan, siya lawas. What if atong pauwang sa Facebook? And of course, dahil iyang-uyab karon, ako ng ex, uy,
Mao po, kaming din ang sanod ko na di siya sa personal.
this guy, muna dahil ako ito sa Facebook, pero ako siya.
Hala, bago pa ganitang ni Ari sa eskwelahan, ani na di ang mga pangitabo. Unsa kaya kung saan ni ano nga magpost-post sa Facebook, di man kay bang mo personal? Kasi problema ani niya, insecure din siya siyang dakway. Nang sa day ka. Ako yung mga inon nga, kung baba mo ba mo. Baka nandako. Uneducated kay ka no, magpost-post ka. Future educator, mandak ka.
Hello mga ka-Power Pop Girls! Welcome to our vlog. So for today's vlog, we're gonna do a vlog about a dark side and light side of using social media. So what are we gonna do?
So our topic is all about social media, and there are two types of social media. Two types of social media is all about the light side and the dark side of the internet. So for you, Kampi, what is the light side of the internet?
So there are two types of dark side of the internet. We have utopia and dystopia. So utopia is an idea of having a perfect society in which everyone works well with each other. So education is a perfect society and the people is using AI and also their robots can do and work with the human.
Okay, for you, Kasao, what is the dystopia of the internet?
According to learn strategy has this dystopia is an imagined world where society in which people live through branch, dehumanize, fearful lives, tolerance of imperfect world, where everything goes the wrong way.
Light side of the internet. The light side of the internet is all about the internet and the interpersonal communication. So what is the interpersonal communication? Interpersonal communication is how you communicate to each other, like the loved ones, like that. That communication by using the internet. So there are 6 elements of interpersonal communication. The communicators, the message, partners, context, feedback, and channel. So in other hand, we talk about different types of civic engagement, like service, community research, advocacy education, public farming, and political engagement. And
So we all know that social media is the most powerful tool for communication, not just for our loved ones, but all the people who create meaningful conversation to our life. We can also create meaningful conversation with everybody in our group. And it's really good that social media can create and give access to everybody. But however, we can also give social media a positive and bad negative in our society. Because if you are too much using social media, it can create, it can give us meaningful, harmful effect to our environment. So that's it all.
Hello, my name is Anjade Nako and I am 18 years old. I'm Angelato, 24 years old, from ACC. I'm Rachel Kim and I'm 4 years old in ACC.
Ako tayo si Vincent, si Rian, Banoy, sa Ako may security.
about social media. I feel like social media is like a good platform for people who can communicate with other people from other countries. It's like it helps us connect with them, and we can also like there are many like usage for social media.
How about you?
I do is to communicate other people and to
For me, since I am not really into social media, almost every day, sometimes I go along with others. Social media for me is both has the negative and positive in the society. First is the negative one. It's make people, I do believe, and sometimes though it's not really my perspective ito sa mga tao. But for me, it makes people lazy. Okay? Instead of doing things na kinahanglan nila pumatong for ways go on social media, just to scroll Facebook, Instagram,
Ang social media daghang kay matatabang sa ato kay maka-update na sa mga para sa panahon niya asay na sa mga panghitabo about sa ating kaya ni mga election hapit na ra ba kuan nasa disadvantage sa kanang kuan kanang social media kay naay mga kuwaton o kanang kuan like sayan ni mga ay mga dagang scam almost kuan kasi aron mo ni kuan nila gani kasi may scammer out gitu.
Are you a social media addict? If yes, then how many hours do you spend it in just one day? First, I am a social media addict, and honestly, I spend most of my time on Instagram texting people, like scrolling through photos and other celebrities. I'm addicted to social media, to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, to communicate with other people.
as what I said earlier na I don't use social media, I could take a day without using social media. So, not really. Sometimes there are days I could take 3 hours, let's say, 3 hours to use social media like Facebook, or I don't have Instagram, I just use Facebook, but in Messenger, I can take up above 7 hours because I have wala ko yun.
my
I use social media like Messenger for communication along with email, YouTube, like groups, so easy.
Almost 3 hours kay kuan ni mag-review masay ko sa kuan ni para sa civil service exam ana yan din mo makuan ko sa kanila ni kuan social media ana kay namay mga post niya sa kanya about sa mga updates sa mga kuan o magtaas-taas yung oras sa kuan sa social media.
How does social media influence self-esteem? For me, it's like sometimes it can be like a bad habit because like you can always spend time like looking and comparing yourself to the other people you see on the social media, even though they are not the real person they portray to be. It just affects us mentally. How does social media influence self-esteem? For me, it's bad influence because other people is to focus the social media. If you have the mother manugo bitaw is kaya dili na mo sugot kay lagi na focus na sa social media.
Social media does not really affect me really that much since hindi ko nagkay. Like, di ba sa though Messenger is a way of our communication with FBs, we had it ka maka-post or makapag-post sa mga people. Like, for example, like, peers is nanay, nana. I really don't use that much Facebook, so wala sa kaya yung influence ng social media para sa ako. Just, what I allow you to influence in my life is since I am also a Christian, so sa yung perspective sa Ginoo sa ako, kahit mas na mas maka-influence ako. So,
social media, like for example, naka-check na yung narinig ng mga kaedad. So, it does not really affect me that much. Like, gusto ko collect yung narinig ng mga because I have my own timeline para sa mana.
Ang social media kay tabang para sa tuwa kay about sa mga post kay bawo kita sa mga dagat sa panahon niya update sa mga say kaayuhan say pasabot daghan kwat ayuhan ang uban gamiton na sa dili mga